ActivePresenter gives you the opportunity to add external reference materials to the project, and there are two ways to do that. Now, let's start with the first one. Use the Insert Hyperlink feature in the Home tab. After selecting a text, click the Insert Hyperlink button in the Home tab. The Insert Edit Hyperlink dialog appears, then you can click Resource, select a resource right from your current project or your computer. Click OK and see the result. Your resource has been downloaded after you click the hypertext. Next, another way to attach resources to your project is using the Resources feature in the Player Settings window. Then, click the Add button. As you can see, ActivePresenter allows you to add resources from URL in all file formats. Hold Ctrl to select many resources if you want. After attaching, the Resources button appears at the top right corner of the canvas. Besides, you can edit, remove, or even change the resources order. Now, click OK and preview to see how it works. Here, click any of the resources to download it. That's it.